Hey sneaker fan, welcome back to HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the 125th anniversary jersey for Germany. Stay with us, we check out all the detail of this jersey. This video is sponsored by bestzv1.com. These are leading wholesale platform for high quality jerseys, training gears and accessories. They provide top quality product in affordable prices for wholesalers, retailers, and individual buyers worldwide with expert craftsmanship and reliable global shipping. And the best part is so many discount codes are waiting for you. This website link in my description box. Go and check it out. Let's start the unboxing with some great music.